Naku, naniniwala ba kayo kay Win Gatchalian sa kasi Matibag? Puro kasinungalingan yung sinasabi nila. Ang tagal nang bina-background check kami ng intelligence community, including cyber technical intelligence groups ng AFP, PNP, NBI, and even the intelligence group of the Presidential Security Command. Alam na nila lahat, no?
So yun
So,
yun, sir.
pati yung bahay ng girlfriend ng mga kasama ko. Pero lang yon.
Pero sir, ano yun? How do you call, what do you call the accusation?
It's funny. It's funny.
Not true.
I don't know why people of their stature, supposed to be, will engage in such inane accusation that we are threatening the security of the Senate. How? Pagpasok mo pa lang sa Senado, kakapkapan ka na. Wala ka namang maski kutsilyo, hindi ka nga makapasok kung meron kang kutsilyo. Tapos ang OSAA doon, may mga baril na nakasukbit. So paano?
Categorically, sir, no.
Wala kayong balak na mag-part 2 tayo ng barilan.
Wala naman.
Kung gusto ni Matibag siguro
Na?
na makipagbarilan sa amin, bigyan niya kami ng baril. Di ba? Pero walang ganun. Okay, we are a peaceful people. No? We do not know violence. We do not know dissidents. So kaya nga kami nagko-cooperate. Even if we do not recognize si Erwin Tulfo as chair of the Blue Ribbon, pumunta pa rin kami. Unfortunately, hinarang nila kami. Tapos yung sinasabi nila na hindi kami nag-attend. Nandun kami, in fact, nung kumukuha pa lang kami ng QR code, meron nang bumubulong sa akin, sir, ang sabi ng mga senators, you need not attend because what they are doing now is just a consultative meeting and not a hearing. And therefore, you need not attend. Sinabihan na kami.